Hi friends, and I hope you are well. I'm here with another important topic of Ielts speaking. This is transportation. The first question is that what is the most popular means of transportation in your hometown? The answer of this question is that buses are the most common mode of transport in my hometown. The buses are very easy and affordable with high frequency routes and terminal. The most of the people in my village always prefer to take buses due to good transport service. The next one, how often do you take buses? I often take buses especially for short distance, but I use my own car for long distance travel. The third one, describe your favorite vehicle. My favorite vehicle is bicycle. I'm very fond of riding it since my childhood, as I used to go to school on my beautiful bicycle. I feel it is the easiest and safest mode for us. I always ride bicycle for short distance travels because it is very enjoyable activity for me. Most importantly, riding bicycle is a wonderful workout for me to keep physically fit and fine. The fourth one, do you prefer public transportation or private transportation? Well, I always choose bus or train for long distance travels because it is cheap and accessible for me. At the same time, public transports always allow me to read, relax, or nap during travels, but I prefer private transportations like car, motorbike, or bicycle for only short distance. What type of vehicles do you think will be seen on the roads in the future? Well, it is very hard for me to say what type of vehicles will be seen on the roads in the future, but due to advanced and innovative technology, electricity, solar energy, natural gas can be used for vehicles in the future. The next one, can you compare the advantages of planes and trains? Well, talking about the advantages of trains first, trains are cheaper and railway stations are almost located in all towns and cities. It also offers multiple services every day with a wide range of routes. Most interesting thing is that railway travel allows us to take as much luggage as without any extra fees. On the other side, planes are faster, safe, and more comfortable. Air travel also saves our time. The next question, would you ride bikes to work in the future? The answer is no, I don't like to ride bike for work in the future. It would be uncomfortable for me to ride bike every day in summer season. I would like to choose public transport or own car instead of riding bike. So I hope this lesson would be very useful for your speaking test. For watching my coming videos, please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.